ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, once again welcome to Transformers and AC Motors class. In today's class, session number 23, you have to study about the slip, frequency of rotor current and problems on that. This comes under Unit 3, Session 23. Define the term slip, frequency of rotor current and problems. Three-phase induction motor image. This internal parts also you can see here: stator parts, rotating part, shaft, outer cover, terminal box. Principle of operation of induction motors is discussed. A rotating magnetic field is set up in the stator when three-phase supply is given. The stationary rotor cut the revolving field, and due to the electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced in the rotor conductor. As the rotor conductor is short circuited, current flows through the rotor conductor, so it becomes a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, so starts rotating. Stator ಗೆ three-phase supply ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ rotating magnetic field produce ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So stationary rotor conductor cuts that flux, so EMF induced in the rotor conductor. Rotor conductors are short circuited, so current flows through the rotor conductors. So current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences force, so rotor rotates. Next, different terms ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ slip and equation for slip. The definition of slip is defined as the difference between the synchronous speed of the stator magnetic field and the actual speed of the rotor. The definition of slip is difference between the synchronous speed of the stator magnetic field ns and the rotor speed n, where ns is the synchronous speed of the rotating magnetic field given by 120 f by p. 120 f by p, where f is the frequency of supply, p is number of poles, n is the rotor speed in rpm. Slip is expressed as a fraction of percentage of synchronous speed. So formula for slip is slip s equal to ns minus n by ns. Percentage slip equation is s equal to ns minus n divided by ns into 100. And the numerically, difference between this rotating magnetic field speed ns minus rotor speed divided by synchronous speed, where ns is 120 f by p, is the synchronous speed of the stator magnetic field in rpm. N is the speed of the rotor in rpm. Then speed of the rotor is given by n equal to ns whole into 1 minus s. So synchronous speed ಮತ್ತು slip ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you can synchronous speed into 1 minus s ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ rotor speed ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಥವಾ rotor speed ಮತ್ತು synchronous speed ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ slip find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು using this formula. ಮೂರು unknown ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನೇ find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You have to remember this synchronous speed ns equal to 120 f by p. Always you have to remember that, where f is the frequency of supply, usually 50 Hz, p is the number of poles. So definitions of slip: difference in the speed of the synchronous speed of rotating magnetic field and the actual rotor speed of the induction motor. Formula is s equal to ns minus n divided by ns. ns equal to 120 f by p, n equal to ns whole into 1 minus s. Next, frequency of rotor current and write the equation. Whenever rotor conductor cuts the flux, EMF is induced and current flows in the rotor circuit. What is the frequency of rotor current? You have to write the equation for that also. So frequency of rotor is defined as the number of cycles of alternating current flowing through the rotor conductors per second. Frequency of rotor current is defined as the number of cycles of alternating current flows through the rotor conductor per second. or the number of cycles of EMF induced in the rotor circuit per second. 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ EMF ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೋಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ರೋಟರ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ದಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ FR ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ F ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ, is the slip times the supply frequency. So FR equal to S into F, where S is the slip, fractional slip, F is the supply frequency, stator equal supply frequency, where FR is the frequency of the rotor current, F is the supply frequency, S is the slip. If F is the frequency of rotor current, F dash is the frequency of rotor current, Ns equal to 120 F by P. So Ns minus N equal to difference between the stator speed and rotor speed, 120 F dash by P. So Ns equal to 120 F by P. The ಎರಡು equation ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, equation number 1 and 2 divide ಮಾಡಿದರೆ you will get the F dash by F equal to Ns minus N divided by Ns. This is equal to S. This is derivation of equation for frequency of rotor current. So frequency of rotor current F dash equal to S into F, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದರೆ you will get F dash equal to, or FR equal to S into F, where S is the fractional slip and F is the stator supply frequency in hertz. You have to remember this, F dash equal to S into F. Based on this formulas, you have to solve some examples. Problem 1. The stator of 3-phase induction motor has 3 slots per pole per phase. If supply frequency is 50 Hz, calculate number of stator poles produced and total number of slots on the stator. Also calculate speed of the rotating stator flux or magnetic field. Solution. Usually number of poles P equal to 2 into N. That's we already studied in our previous semesters, where N is the number of slots per pole per phase. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪುನಃ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಗುವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಪರ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 3 ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಪರ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 2 into 3 6 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಪರ್ ಫೇಸು. ಸೊ 3ಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 into 6 into 3 is the phase, ಆಗ 54 ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ is 54. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ rotating stator flux, rotating magnetic field speed, Ns equal to 120 by formula, very famous formula. Substitute the values 120 into 50 divided by 6, we will get 1000 RPM. Next example, problem 2. A 4-pole 3-phase induction motor operates from a supply whose frequency is 50 Hz. Calculate the speed at which the magnetic field of the stator is rotating. Also calculate the speed of the rotor when the slip is 0.04. Also calculate the frequency of the rotor currents when the slip is 0.03. Also calculate the frequency of rotor currents at standstill. First you have to calculate the stator field speed, that is synchronous speed. Formula Ns equal to 120 F by P. Substitute the value of frequency and P, 120 into 50 divided by 4, you will get 1500 RPM, revolutions per minute. Also we have to calculate the speed of the rotor when slip is 0.04. Rotor speed find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. N formula N equal to Ns whole into 1 minus S. So 1500 whole into 1 minus 0.04 will get 1440 RPM. Slip is 0.04. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆದರೆ 4% ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 100ಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಕಡಿಮೆ, 1000ಕ್ಕೆ 40, 11,060 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ರೋಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ 1440, ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ rotating magnetic field 1500. Next, you have to calculate the frequency of the rotor current when slip is 0.03. Frequency of rotor current Fr equal to S into F. S is 0.03 into 50, that is 1.5 RPS or 90 RPM. Usually you will get the answer in RPS. Fr equal to S into F. ಅದನ್ನು RPM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ into 60 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ revolutions per minute. Next, the frequency of the rotor current at standstill. Standstill ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಟರ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ಗೆ 3 ಫೇಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೋಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ rotor speed is 0, so slip is 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದಾಗ. S equal to 1, so Fr equal to S into F, so 1 into F equal to 50 Hz. Stator ಅಷ್ಟೇ rotor frequency ಇರ್ತದೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ರೋಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಗ ರೋಟರ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 50 Hz means 50 revolutions per second. Running condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1.5 RPS rotors frequency. Next example, a 3-phase induction motor is wound for 4 poles and is supplied from 50 Hz system. Calculate the synchronous speed and the rotor speed when slip is 4% and the frequency when the rotor runs at 600 RPM. First find out ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ synchronous speed ns equal to 120 F by P equal to 120 into 50 divided by 4 equal to 1500 RPM. Next, rotor speed n find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using the formula n equal to ns whole into 1 minus s 1500 whole into 1 minus 0.04 equal to 1440 RPM. Next, rotor speed ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 600 RPM. So slip find out ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ s equal to ns minus n divided by ns 1500 minus 600 divided by 1500 0.6 slip ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Next, rotor current frequency find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fr equal to S into F ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.6 into 50 30 Hz ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So using the slip equation and rotor current frequency equations and synchronous speed equations, we have to find out the unknown things. Practice some more examples. This is another example. Try to solve this. Problem 4. A 12-pole 3-phase alternator driven at a speed of 500 RPM supplies power to 8-pole 3-phase induction motor. If the slip of the motor at full load is 3%, calculate the full load speed of the motor. 3% slip ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, synchronous speed calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ns equal to 120 F by P. Speed of the motor calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Using the above examples. So you can refer all these textbooks and solve some more examples. Thank you.